Look what I got. I got my very first tool roll, right here, and I am going to see if I can fit all of this into here. So, just a quick overview, just the tools, not the junk that's in it. That, and that. Can I do it? Let's find out. All the tools, except for the flashlight, went into this bag. Just the tools. So you see, everything else is empty. There's no other tools in here. And look at the size difference. Nice handle, even has a carrying strap. So, and I'm sure you want proof that they all went in there. So, in the middle here, there's two loops. I have this old SK screwdriver used as a pry bar. And I have this long 3/8 Pittsburgh ratchet. And this one is my 1/4" drive socket set. And then these are my 3/8 metric and standard sockets. And then I have an oil filter wrench. And the bottom one is pliers, adjustables, cutters, Allen's, small adjustable, bigger adjustable, and then my torch for doing wiring. There's also crimpers. That one. These are all my wrenches, standard and metric, and this was a full-on set from 8mm to 24 and 1/4 to 1". All that is now in here. This pouch are my ratchets and extensions, and there's also one spark plug wobble. And then in this one is everything else. Screwdrivers, picks, battery terminal cleaner. Well, it's technically a pipe cleaner, but I use it for battery terminals. Torx bit, multi screwdrivers, and the like in there. So I have a correction. This is all the tools, and when it's closed up, there's a place for the flashlight too. So look how much smaller it is compared to this old Waterloo box, which is broken, coming apart. And this is not a toolbox I use every day. This is a box I keep in my truck. It's mainly for in case I break down, or in my case when family calls and they need something fixed. I already have basic tools in my truck to go look at what they're doing. But really happy with this. This is nice, heavy, sort of a canvas-like material. yeah, my first tool roll, I'm very happy. Pretty sweet, isn't it? But I forgot one thing. Click the link below, and till the end of June on Amazon, you can save 10% on this bag. Alright? Hope everybody enjoyed. Everybody's safe and happy and healthy. Take care. One Mechanic out. Ciao.